guys, good morning. What a beautiful, beautiful Vlogtober the 12th. Welcome back to another video. So guys, there's nothing like change. Just like the autumn, the leaves are turning, there's change all around. So when it's change all around, we should have some change for ourselves, right? It's time to change for the better. Some good things, some good thoughts, some good people, some good vibes, some good food. A lot of good changes that we should inquire right now at this time of season. Drinking on some lemon tea. I got a dice of lemon in there. Change is good, y'all. Are y'all willing to change? Are you willing to be the change that you want to see? Huh? Y'all, it's so beautiful out here. So beautiful. Feels good to come outside and get some fresh air without some weirdos because I got my nightgown on, you know what I'm saying? But it feels good to come out here and be able to unwind in the morning and spend some alone time with the Father. So guys, I'm gonna go inside. I have to make up my bed, clean up a little bit, fold up some clothes, and then we'll get dressed and we'll start our day. So welcome to Vlogmas Day 12, all right? Guys, she's out of the tub. Y'all, look at her hair. Hair is popping, popping, popping. So we're going to do little face care right quick for you. So we're going to put some of the vegan. She's almost out, but I got her upside down. We're going to put that on. And then we're going to continue. All right, next is the vitamin E. Dab there, dab there. We'll rub her in really good. And we'll move on to the next step. Put a little bit on the lips too. We'll move on, okay, y'all? I'm going to continue with the brush. Y'all, that raw sugar body wash is everything. Lord have mercy. I feel so good. Not that I didn't with the Dr. Bronner's, but it feels so good. So let's move on. We're going to put on our Love and Nature. Guys, it smells so good. I'm so glad. Thank you, Subby. Yo, I'm sorry. It smells so good. So good. Okay, on to the next step. Going to put on a little lipstick. This is by Burt's Bees. We're going to add some to the cheeks. Cheekbones, cheekbones. Like so. Let's put a little bit right there. Let's keep moving. We're going to move on to the mascara. Y'all, I have not worn mascara since my wedding day. Seriously. Uh-oh, look at that. She already don't know. Okay, let's keep moving, and then we'll come back. All right, guys, that's it. What do you think? What do you think? Look at that. Y'all, look how long she is. She's almost down to the end of the tub. Look at that. She's touching the tub, actually. She's growing tremendously. In a minute, I'm not going to be able to keep her there. I wanted to show you guys, I got some new labeling, and I want you guys' opinion. So, do y'all know I make soaps? So I make soaps. I made two here. I got a black soap and a green one here. It's like aloe vera and lime. I got those two. But let me show you. Oh, let me show you the old labels. So this is what my old label looks like. Can y'all see that? This is what the old one looks like. Okay. Now I'm going to show you what the new one looks like. This is a new one. Can y'all see that? Let me know what you think. Come on, focus camera. There we go. Tell me what y'all think. Let me know what y'all think. But yeah, guys, outfit of the day. This is outfit of the day. I will see you guys later. Wait on the baby, guys. She's a little bit. I put a little water in there. She did rise up a little bit, so we're still checking her on. We're still letting her do her thing, but I'm not gonna give up on her. Y'all, this has become a plant video, right? Look at this. Look at this, ZZ. Y'all, this is back since the last time I showed y'all. These are all new. Look at that. Yes. Yes. Y'all, it's 5 o'clock. She's tired. Can't y'all tell she's tired? Don't I look tired? So I'm glad I made it until 12 days, y'all. Woo-wee. We're gonna have to do some lives, but hope you guys stayed this long for the video. I will see you in the next one. Peace and love, everybody. Don't forget to love yourself so that you be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all. Bye.